MARSHALLTOWN Heavy-Duty Dual Scraper. The MARSHALLTOWN Heavy-Duty Dual Scraper is a must-have for flooring removal projects in construction or renovation. Its heat-treated dual blade removes tile, vinyl, carpet, and wood. The versatile blades can be flipped and sharpened on both 3 and 5 sides. With a length of 56, this scraper provides ample reach and leverage for efficient removal. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use. It's perfect for large commercial projects or small home renovations, making it an ideal choice for contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Investing in the MARSHALLTOWN Heavy-Duty Dual Scraper means investing in a reliable and versatile flooring removal tool that will make your next project easy. The Milwaukee M12 Brushless 2-planer is the perfect tool for finish carpenters and remodelers, delivering the power needed to plane and scribe soft and hard woods in a compact design. This planer can remove up to 5/64s in a single pass, and its dual-sided shavings port provides greater flexibility in directing shavings to either side of the tool. The planer's 2-wide shoe is optimized for common applications like scribing and planing doors, while its 14,500 RPMs and 2 blades on the cutter head deliver a smooth surface finish. With 21 depth settings ranging from 0 to 5/64s, users can make precise and accurate cuts. The planer also features a lockable kickstand for easy storage and a shavings collection attachment with a universal hose adapter to reduce cleanup time on the job site. GEARWRENCH Bolt Biter Screw Extractors, the ultimate solution for removing stubborn, frozen screws, bolts, and fasteners. With their unique tapered side and tip cutting edges, Bolt Biter Screw Extractors provide superior grip and turn even the most challenging fasteners. Made from high-strength steel, Bolt Biter Screw Extractors are built to last, with up to 50 times longer life than other extractors on the market. These extractors are also bidirectional, meaning you can reuse specialty fasteners when needed. Whether you're using hand tools or power tools, Bolt Biter Screw Extractors offer unmatched control and performance. Say goodbye to frustration and wasted time. GEARWRENCH Bolt Biter Screw Extractors are the reliable solution for all your extraction needs. The Rubi Triller is a lightweight and compact vibrator designed to avoid air bubbles between adhesive and tile during installation. It's recommended for porcelain sheet installation work, especially for larger formats over 300 cm x 100 cm, as well as uncoupling or waterproofing sheets. With a weight of only 4.8 kilograms, it's easy to use on vertical supports and at heights. Its floating carbon steel chassis incorporates a vibration reduction system that reduces user fatigue and increases comfort. The base of contact with the ceramic tile doesn't leave marks and is easily replaceable. The Rubi Triller is part of the slab system range, offering specialized professionals a comprehensive range of tools for cutting, handling, and installation of porcelain sheets. Seika paint tracks feature a unique I-type design that saves space and reduces the hassle of dealing with drips, runs, and smudges. The tool is stackable, allowing you to stack multiple doors or decorations, freeing up warehouse space and increasing productivity. It is easy to set up and operate, making it a must-have for high-production contractors. The racks also allow for creating a controlled environment in one area of a room, leaving more living space during home renovations. Simply remove all hardware, attach the tool to the 4 corners of the door, and easily paint or repair the door. Seika paint tracks provide a convenient and efficient solution for painting and repair work. The Wolfcraft 5-in-1 function furniture dolly can move heavy loads up to 250 kilograms and has 5 different configurations. It can be used as a flat trolley, a panel cart, a compact furniture dolly, and even as a V-shaped extension. The dolly features an ergonomic grip bar and 6 ball-bearing mounted casters for controlled maneuvering. 6 non-slip support rests ensure secure transport of items. It's made from a durable birch multi-layer panel with waterproof glue and comes with a 10-year guarantee. This dolly is perfect for home renovations, commercial moves, and other heavy-duty tasks. The GEARWRENCH 1000 lumen rechargeable wing light and underhood rack is the ultimate dual LED light for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. It boasts COB technology, providing bright illumination with 500 and 1000 lumen ratings, plus a 400 lumen spotlight for precision lighting. With a sealed water-resistant I54 rating, this light is suitable for use in harsh environments. Its rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides up to 4 hours of runtime, and an indicator lets you know when it's time to recharge. The light pivots 180, so you can direct the beam where you need it. Its base has a magnet and hang hook for easy positioning. The underhood rack is a convenient feature, but the light can also be used separately. The included USB Type-C cord allows for easy recharging, and the durable construction ensures reliable performance for years to come. The Woodpecker's Ultra-Shear track clamp T-slot bit is a router bit designed to cut a groove perfectly sized and shaped for track clamps. It chamfers the top edges at the same time, allowing for better grip and stability. With just one quick cut, it lets you take better advantage of the clamps you already have. This bit can be used to cut track clamp T-slots in assembly tables, workbenches, miter saw stations, assembly jigs, or anywhere you need a quick and secure grip. It is a versatile and time-saving tool that is perfect for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Squijig Framing jigs are versatile tools that can be used for a variety of woodworking and metalworking applications. They can be used for stair gauges, stair layout, rafter layout, or IP guide on your saw, angle guide on your speed square, holds your framing square upright, and more. With their ability to overcome rounded edges on large square tubes, Squijig Framing jigs are perfect for metalworking applications as well. They easily square up round tube, act as a third hand when tacking metal together or lining up with a turnbuckle, and can hang or stand your square upon material. The taller profile of these jigs provides an extremely solid and accurate hold on the workpiece. They have dual slots and cylinder barrels that allow maximum versatility with any project, and their slot is 5/16 tall, fitting onto anything up to 0.31 thick. The Kapro 317 adjustable T-square is a versatile tool for anyone in need of accurate measurements. Its double-edged aluminum ruler with an anodized finish is durable and long-lasting. The T-square features a sliding head that easily adjusts to any angle, with a strong screw lock that keeps the head in place. Its ABS end caps have a hands-free holding ledge that prevents slipping or sliding, ensuring that your measurements are always accurate. Additionally, the T-square folds for easy storage and transport. With printed scales and etched angle markings in imperial 1/16 and 1/8, the Kapro 317 is perfect for a wide range of applications, including technical drafting, drywall, interior design, and home improvement projects. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.